Hey guys, this is Robert, and here's a package. So let's open it up and see what's inside. This box here says Men Quick Dry Slim Fit 9-inch Active Hybrid Dress Chino Hiking Shorts. A small box. Definitely folded it up. Okay. Here's the brand, HARBETH Durable Tech Collection. Definitely feels like the quick dry stuff. And yeah, there it is. Back pocket with a zipper here. Some belt loops here. Pocket here. With mesh inside. Same on the side. Button here. Zipper. This is what it looks like on the inside. So the pockets are all mesh. So I guess if you go in a sandy area, they just drop out. And that is it. So if you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.